Welcome to Wild Money Entertainment. Time to air fry some fish. I got this tilapia from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna fix this a little differently than I normally would fix my fish. I'm not trying to use the oven, so we're gonna air fry it a healthy way. I'm gonna try. This is tilapia, and I am going to marinate it. I'm gonna use a little bit of adobo, which is a little bit of a mixed seasoning. Of course, it's a Spanish seasoning, but you can mix your own seasoning. This adobo has lemon, so I don't have to add lemon to the fish. I'm gonna add some cooking wine. And I love my Old Bay anytime I deal with seafood. So I'm gonna mix that all together, put it in a baggie, and marinate it 24 hours. And then I'm gonna take it out, use a bit of Pancro, and see where we go from there. So we'll be back. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it, marinated. And see, if you notice, I didn't put much seasoning because I wanted to pick up that cooking wine flavor. There's the canola oil that I sprayed down. My first batch is done. I'm frying it with no egg, just the juices and panko crumbs. Let's see how it's gonna come out. Tartar sauce with Heinz mayo from Pinch Me and a little bit of hot sauce. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.